Okay, next up is a 2019 Ford EcoSport. Came from an auction with an X-Horse flip key that actually works the car. It'll start in the programming slot, which surprised me. I would have thought those would be a different board that wouldn't be, well, I guess a chip is a chip, and if you put it in there, it runs. Cool. Learn something new. Let's read the number of keys. 3, so one more will be fine. We're going to add a key. We're going to put our key in the programming slot, which is right there. Logging in. Oh, this one takes a while. And I am a little far from my van. Dang it. So you got to have pretty good internet for that. There's my van. Couple cars up with the Starlink on it, but without moving 3 cars I can't get out of here, so that's, and I can't really back up to it because I'm going to be blocking them, so we're just going to deal with this. Allergies are killing me. P-flash data must be backed up before it can be executed. Is it backed up? No, it is not. So this is going to take a bit. I have to back up to P-flash. If I remember right, that takes a little bit to read. So I'm going to pause this, and yeah, that's going to take a while. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer for internet, and I'll be back when this is done with that. All right, we are back on the EcoSport. That took 10 minutes or so. Read it, backed it up. There's that. Writing data. Should be pretty quick after this, I think. Don't see a lot of these where you have to back up to P-flash. I guess it's around this year, right before it went to FDRS. Usually see the normal 10 minutes or just FDRS. Which I'm pretty sure this car isn't. If a locksmith was able to make an X-Horse flip to get this running at an auction, pretty safe bet he doesn't have FDRS. Put the key to be programmed in the car slot. Yes, it is. There is the flash. Key program successful. We have remote function. Car starts. Good to go. I just got to pick the lock because he didn't throw a blade in the flip here for me, so pick the lock, cut the emergency key, on to the next one. Still got 3 more cars to do here.